In the last lesson, I introduced to you two dress-ups, the ly word and the strong verb. In today's lesson, we will review the ly word and introduce more the strong verb dress-up. Okay, let's review the ly words or adverbs. I will use the weak verb talk, a word that everybody uses. Let's place that weak verb in a sentence. The teacher talks. Boring, right? Let's dress it up with an ly word, something that will bring the sentence to life, something that will help us imagine. So the question is, the teacher talks how? How does the teacher talk? The teacher talks loudly. You have to cover your ears because he's way too loud. The teacher talks softly. Now, you struggle to hear him. You want to ask him to repeat what he had just said. The teacher talks nervously. Now, you hear a shaky or stuttering voice, and his face tells you something is not right. He is nervous. The teacher talks drunkenly. Oh no, the teacher should not be coming to class like this, drunk. And he talks with a slur. You see, each of the ly words dresses up the original boring sentence. The teacher talks loudly. The teacher talks softly. The teacher talks nervously. And the teacher talks drunkenly. You get the picture? Each ly word gives you a different but clear picture of what it means to talk. Now, let's introduce a strong verb. You will recall that talk is considered weak. We will still use the same original sentence. The teacher talks. Let's dress it up with a strong verb. In this case, we replace the weak verb with a strong verb. The teacher yells. This means that the teacher talks loudly. Let me illustrate. The teacher yells. The teacher whispers. This means that the teacher talks softly. And let me illustrate that sentence as well. The teacher whispers. The teacher stutters. And this means that the teacher talks nervously. I will illustrate this one as well. The teacher stutters. The teacher slurs. This means that the teacher talks drunkenly. I will illustrate again. The teacher slurs. Both the strong verb and the ly word serve the same purpose: to dress up the sentence, to make the sentence come alive, to help you imagine. Now, go out and listen to your family members or friends talk. Note that when they talk, they are constantly changing how they talk. For example, I am hearing my wife right now. I can hear her in the kitchen. My wife sings. Oh, she just opened the door to my room. Now my wife whispers. She really doesn't want to disturb me. So now my wife apologizes. She has a question for me. And now my wife questions. I give my wife an answer. Then just before she leaves, she thanks me. My wife thanks me. That's how it's done. You can do the same thing with other weak verbs like walk, or see, or look, or go, or play, or put, or love. And have fun doing that.